If you've just tuned in, welcome to the Drive Show. Right, so usually on a Monday, we do something very interesting where we chat health and healthy eating, the benefits of certain lifestyle changes, etc. And today we have someone very interesting on the line with us. We're chatting to Yannicka Blake. Yannicka, welcome to the MFM Drive Show.
Thank you. Hi.
Right, so Yannicka, you're busy with something very, very interesting. You're planning to open up a zero-waste shop in Cape Town.
Yes.
Could you tell us, a little bit more about, the initiative that you're planning to do?
Yeah, sure. I'm so happy to chat to you because today is actually the opening of the annual UN conference on climate change in Germany, and our South African negotiators are hard at work to represent us well over there.
Wow.
But yeah, we should really ask ourselves, what can we do back home to fight for a clean future? So, according to a report in 2016 by Green Cape, Cape Town generates 2.6 million tons of waste each year.
Sure.
Gosh.
Yeah, and according to the WWF South Africa, 90% of waste in South Africa ends up in landfills, and the food waste component leads to the production of methane gas and carbon dioxide. And with the drought also going on, I don't think many people know this, but a fifth of South Africa's water is used for food that is wasted. So throwing away half of your hamburger is equal to a 60-minute shower with a water-efficient shower head.
Oh, my word.
Yeah.
Wow, that is freaky.
So I'd like to tell you about the founder of the Zero Waste Lifestyle, Bea Johnson's 5 R's, because most of us know the 3 R's, refuse, reduce, and recycle. But
Yeah.
the 5 R's are refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle, and rot. And she says that zero waste is not recycling more, but less. She points out that recycle is the fourth option and that those preceding it are far more important. So the current state of waste in South Africa, I'm sure I probably confused you now and you might be surprised with what I said about recycling. But in 2014, our plastic recycling rate was 23%. So this means that only 23% of all plastics generated was diverted from landfill. So we need to actually stop buying things that require recycling. And we should try to refuse and reduce packaging, reuse as much as we can, because although recycling can help to reduce the amount of garbage that ends up in landfills and waterways, only a few types of plastics can be recycled.
Yeah.
And plastic breaks up, it doesn't break down back into the earth, so it never actually goes away. And that's why I want to change the way Cape Townians shop.
Love this. I love. So obviously, I mean, that's. We don't have to ask you what sparked the idea because you've kind of covered that. But in the meantime, what changes can we make specifically to everybody? There's always something small that we can do to change our lifestyles and how much we contribute to waste.
Yes, definitely. And that's also, I'm nowhere near the zero waste lifestyle myself. I'm working to adopt the zero waste lifestyle by making small changes. And I've started making these changes a few years ago. But it can seem overwhelming to people. But if we all start making one small change, there's a campaign run by the Two Oceans Aquarium and Hayley McClellan. And they ask people, can you start by just giving up one thing, plastic bags?
Yeah.
I've stopped using plastic bags and I'm fine. I'm not inconvenienced. And in fact, I actually love shopping with my cloth shopping bags.
Definitely. So Yannicka, it's like this one philosopher was talking about taking cold showers in the morning.
Okay.
So the whole idea behind it was the fact that if you went to go take a cold shower, you learn 3 life lessons. The first one is you're going to take a cold shower. So it's that whole idea of taking acceptance, you know what I mean? Anything's possible, you just need to start doing it.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So it's like, stop saying I'm going to start tomorrow, start today, because today's the day when change needs to be done.
Exactly. Yeah. So we actually need to, reassess our choices and move back to basics. So Shop Zero will be the place where you can bring us your empty containers, and we'll fill them up with organic, sustainable, local goodies, and you will feel awesome.
Awesome, Yannicka. That's why,
Yeah.
this brings us literally to our next point, but you are you have a crowdfunding initiative going to help you open this shop, which I think could benefit people of Cape Town greatly. So how's that going, and how can people contribute towards this?
Yeah. So, even if people are not in Cape Town, they can still be part of this zero waste movement of change that our planet so desperately needs. And, it might not benefit them directly to minimize their impact, but it will help hundreds of others, and that's help our collective impact on this earth.
Yeah.
So I have 2 days left of my campaign. I'm doing it through thunderfund.com, and the link for that is thunderfund.com/project/shop0. I have 2 days left, and I'm about 1,300 Rand away from my first tipping point, which I need to reach in 2 days' time.
Wow.
Sure.
People have been amazing. I'm so humbled and so thankful by everyone's contributions and just backing my idea. It's all very, very exciting. So if anyone is keen to become a backer and to be part of Shop Zero and be part of this revolution, please take a look at my campaign. I've got awesome rewards in return. thunderfund.com/project/shop0.
This is fantastic. Yannicka, thank you so much. I think not only, it's been great here. You've taught us so much, but also it's just nice to know that you are actively doing something to make a difference. I think that if that in itself isn't inspirational, then I don't know what is.
Yeah. Can I just quickly say something? I don't know if we still have time.
Yes.
It's like you also just said now, it's, just start today. Like yesterday I was at the waterfront, and I just started picking up litter because there was litter lying around right by the bins, and I got the kids there at the playground. I showed them actually a video of all the plastic in our oceans, and I asked them, let's all clean this up before it blows into the ocean. And we just showed people, let's just start picking up litter. If you see it, just pick it up. Otherwise, it is going to blow into the ocean.
Yeah.
So, we need Mother Nature more than what she needs us.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So it's really time for us, us humans, we made this mess. So we need to all work together and fight for a clean future.
Or else Mother Nature's going to retaliate and take
She
rid
is
of the
already retaliating
actual
against us.
trash of the earth, right?
But Yannicka, thank you so much, and hopefully in a couple of months' time, or maybe into next year, we can catch up with you again.
Yeah.
Definitely.
And
Thank you.
I've had some Philly students supporting me already, so who knows, maybe I can come open up a shop over there as well.
Please do. I think we need it here.
Yeah.
But thanks so much, Yannicka. It's been an
Thanks,
absolute
guys.
pleasure talking to you.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Bye-bye.